and I mean for giving this matter the needed coverage.
Oh, Oduaniwa, talk on.
Where you can decide. Hello. Come on, the camera, everything. You don't write my name. You don't write my name. They don't like my name. Can you imagine? And what is his name? That's how they come.
My name.
Yeah, I like it.
Where? If I slap you in public. Are we live?
The people where the useless SSS arrest for
Lawless.
Chief Sunday Igboho, they just released them, some part of them now. And so that's what we are doing, we're trying to address. Gentlemen, hey, sometimes today, just settle me. So today, you particularly, you have to settle me. Please, I'll be paying my debt very soon. Hopefully tomorrow. God bless you. Because there's emotional distress. All right. So, Brother Sunday, when she told me to call you for Brother Sunday, can you lodge account in the look, I didn't say, sorry, I didn't mention something to you. The people that SSS claimed that they killed in Gongdwell, those people were actually hiding in bathroom. Yes, hiding in bathroom, trying to prevent themselves from it was actual because SSS got into the room, any room they get into, they just start spraying bullets, start shooting. So these people, those people were like harmless. They were hiding. They were in the dark. As a matter of fact, one of the persons killed was killed because he's blind. He couldn't see. You know? 2 persons. One was blind. He couldn't see very well. One of them was in the bathroom. Anybody there on spring? Then the second one is blind.
Do you know the whereabouts? Do you know the whereabouts of their bodies?
Madam Treasurer.
Hello. Please, I need something. I want not that one.
I'm going to say that confirm that you saw something like that.
I just saw that small car.
Something like that.
Yeah, Mungo.
It was not
Because I want to be sure.
No. Rest assured. No.
But
If they pull out, so come on, again. How now?
I was getting tired of the Buhari. It's not a lot. This we there, Buhari did. A Christmas be that. Congrats. We need the rest for.
You guys do that.
So, Tabati, where there's a problem, when you that day we wait forever.
Why the lawyer? Why did you come to the friends of the
One of my colleagues went to the ABC lawyer. No, you know they call you waiting for Ghana.
I'll tell you why it makes sense now. I'll